What are official reports? Prepared for the Intellectual Property Research course at Boston College Law School. Official reports are decisions of a court, usually an appellate court, that have been selected for publication and are published either by the government or by a private publisher under contract with the government. Case reporters that have the name of a place followed by the word reports are the official decisions of the highest court in that place. So the California Reports, all 4 series shown here, contain the published decisions of the California Supreme Court, and the volume of United States Reports contains decisions from the United States Supreme Court. These are contrasted with unofficial reporters, which are published by a commercial publisher for the purpose of making a profit. The way these publishers make a profit is by making their case reporters more useful to legal researchers than the official reports, either by being timelier or by having additional editorial features. The most well-known unofficial reporters are those in the West National Reporter System, which contain opinions of state courts in 7 regional reporters, decisions of the United States Supreme Court in West's Supreme Court Reporter, and the decisions of the lower federal courts in the Federal Reporter, the Federal Supplement, and the Federal Rules decisions. Over the years, a number of states have discontinued the publication of their official reports, counting on the unofficial regional reporter to do the job for them. And the lower federal courts never had official reports. They rely on the West volumes as well. Does it matter if you have an official version of a case? Not really. Which version of a case you should cite to is something set out in citation rules. Many states that have official reports require citations in state court to be to the official rules. Law reviews usually require citation to a state case in the West Regional Reporter, while requiring cases in the United States Supreme Court to be cited to the official U.S. reports. But someone using an unofficial version of the case can still locate pin sites using something called star pagination. Star pagination, which began in print reporters, lets the reader know where the page breaks occur in a parallel citation. Star pagination is often found in online versions of cases, allowing citations to print pages without ever using the print. Some researchers still prefer PDF to star paging in validating case citations. PDFs of West reporters can be found on Westlaw, as Thomson Reuters Westlaw owns the editorial content that surrounds the decision. Lexis has redacted versions of regional reporters, allowing users to view actual page breaks, but not copyrighted content owned by Thomson Reuters Westlaw. PDFs Copies of cases in the U.S. reports back to 1988 can be found at the Supreme Court website. PDF copies of U.S. Supreme Court cases back to Volume 1 can be found on Hein Online. But does it really matter if you have an official version of a case? While particular editorial features of a case may be unique to one publisher or another, the text of the decision itself should be the same, no matter where you read it, as long as it is from a reliable source.